Hi guys, it's your girl Shanasi here. Welcome back to another one of my videos. This is another unboxing for you guys, and this video was sponsored and the company's information will be in the description box. Let's jump right in. So I'm jumping right in and getting this unboxing started, and you guys know I'm always excited to do an unboxing. So when you click on the link below, it's going to take you directly to the website, and all the information for the company will be there, the Instagram and the contact information. Also, if a discount code is provided, you guys could use the discount code to shop not just for these shoes but any other shoes that you love on the website. They sell high-end sneakers, so you guys check them out, and let's continue and be excited with me for this unboxing. Oh my gosh, yes. Your girl is always ready to rip this package up, and let's see what shoes we got and what it looks like. Yes, be excited with me. And winter is coming, and I love when my sneakers during the winter, because for summer I love my toes out and I love being free up, and sometimes you don't want to wear boots, so sneakers are a good choice for this time of the year. And yep, let's see what I have. As usual, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about those pair of Jordans? And of course, do you like the color? Because the one thing I love about those is the color. Really nice color combination. You guys know that I have different colors if you've seen my other videos, but I really love this one. And I was also thinking about getting an all white. What do you guys think about that? An all white, or maybe just one with red. This one, I love it. I love the design. I love how it's made, because all of them are slightly different. So guys, you know how I do it. Stay till the end and I'm gonna try those babies on for you. And if you like those type of videos, consider subscribing to my channel for updates and for more videos. Click on that like button and become part of my family, guys. I do lots of unboxings, so if you enjoy this video, you're gonna enjoy the rest of my other videos.